Welcome back to our latest video in our drawing tutorial series. This week we're drawing the great white shark. As always, I'm using a pen to gestally draw our animals, but use whichever medium you'd like. We're going to start today's drawing with a general outline. A long tear shape with the left side looking similar to how you draw the top part of a heart. Once you've finished that, we're going to move on to the large rear fin. This shape is created by moving your pen or pencil in an upright swoop or an elongated S on the top part, and then mirror that shape on the bottom. Connect both endpoints with a generally straight line. From here, we're going to move back to the shark's head, and we're going to add a quick mouth shape in, and then draw a light line in the back of the head to show where the head kind of stops and the gills start. At the bottom of the gills, we can also see the front fin starts here. This is sort of a long triangle shape. After this, we're going to move to the top fin, which is just a normal triangle, your average right angle triangle, but with an arched line and then a straight line connecting back down to the body. From here, we now have a general outline of the shark. Once again, I'm going to go back in and darken my lines and add a couple more little triangles for some other fins. Next are the teeth. Lots of teeth. Sharks have many rows of teeth and can have about 300 at any given time. So we're going to start with a bigger front row, and then once we're done with both of those, we're going to go back in and create smaller teeth behind the first row to fill up the mouth. Our shark friend needs lots of teeth to eat. Once the mouth is done, we're going to go in and add a couple little circles to define the nostrils. And then we're going to move on to our eye. It's just a small oval. We're going to color in the front part black and leave a small white sliver in the back to give a little definition to the eye. Add a couple gills. And then we're going to go in, and there's no really rhyme or reason to this, other than just kind of splitting the shark and coming down towards the fins, adding a little squiggle throughout the body to give that gray top half and white kind of bottom half or bottom part, that effect. Once you're done, feel free to add a couple of rough marks and lines here and there. Kind of roughens up the shark a little to give it less of a smooth texture, because we all know sharks feel like sandpaper. For fun, I'm adding a couple bubbles, but feel free to do your own thing. I even considered adding some braces for my shark since he's going through all those teeth. And that's it. Next, we'll move to our outline and then proceed by coloring it in. Stick around until the end to see the final results, and thanks as always for watching. Have a great day.